The typical flu season runs from September to April, and with fewer people now wearing masks, this year's flu season is expected to be worse than last year. In tonight's Wear the Gown, KENS 5 reporter Jeremy Baker finds out the best ways to protect yourself from the virus.
The flu vaccine changes every year to adapt to an ever-changing virus. Most of us know that. What you may not know is that this year, most of us will be getting the quadrivalent vaccine, 4 shots in one, to help increase the effectiveness of the vaccine.
But what we really want to see, does it really protect against the worst outcomes from flu? Does it keep you from going to the hospital, and does it protect against death?
Dr. Jason Bowling is an infectious disease specialist with University Health and a professor of infectious disease with UT Health San Antonio. He says for those who do not like needles, there is a nasal wash or spray, but not everyone can get it.
It's for people that really will not get an injection. Otherwise, they don't want to get a needle. There's some age range. It's usually age 2 to 49.
The most common symptoms of the flu are a fever, cough, stuffy nose, sore throat, and muscle aches. And since COVID is still around, it is important to know which disease you have if you come down with symptoms.
There are targeted antivirals that work against the different viruses. And so if you had COVID-19, you'd want the COVID-19 therapy versus having influenza where you'd want the influenza therapy.
The CDC estimates that each year in the U.S. between 2010 and 2020, flu has resulted in 9 to 41 million illnesses, up to 710,000 hospitalizations, and between 12 and 52,000 deaths. The more people that get the shot, the better our herd immunity.
There's more and more medicines now that can treat chronic medical conditions but impact the immune system. And so by everybody getting vaccinated, we can protect those people that are going to have a worse course of influenza.
University Health, Bexar County Judge Wolf, and several county precincts are hosting drive-through flu drives. For more information on those, we have the link with this story on KENS5.com. Jeremy Baker, KENS 5.
And if you would like to see more of our Wear the Gown stories, just head to wearthegown.com.